ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Hadin bakaseng Congress kala remlut habaro lai teli ki constituency haganiga election shiteng samoy kinong elam kaseng Congress kila aidao baka jingrem kadai namar ka jing the pisa jong ki kertong bala penyang daki seng ki badan hak sarkar habakren shikilat pathai khubor ka kong amperin lingdo kala ong baga result kabalami menta kasngi kapan isai kedar baki paitba kidang shanya ya kaseng Congress namar ba watla ki yakun persya ya ka sarkar ru penban kimshim la sha rem khput satya bat ka jingsha rem jongki kadai tang daki khandiat vote Kekong amperin kala ong baka jing rem jong ke Congress ha mau plang bar Rajabala constituency kadai na kadau ka jing pet seng jong ki MDC jong ka kata uba lamprang bala ubala yakun na ka seng NPP but u Asha Hel di Shira ubala yakun na ka UDP kat bahamarun keneng pat kadau ka jing sya rem jong ka seng Congress kala ong baka dai na mar ka jing pet seng jong uway ni kinongelam ka Congress ubala mi banyakun kumukrtong shimen Nalor ka jing pet seng kalau ong basakaway pat kadao kadai namar ka jing the pisa jong ka NPP bat UDP kad baka seng Congress kamshim la pelut pisa AA. Kala ko bru baka jing yakun haus nem arajar arpulai kan dai ka ba itnat bha namar ba wat hagani ka election shiteng samoy ka baki hap banyakun persya ka sarkar ru kimshim la rem khput satya.
La wan hang ni ba ngisno baka don kam ka seng Congress bakan ai ku blaming kong swaya gitu kinong kersan gitu ni kumba piyo ingi klem daram adu kata-kata imagines kilong very nominal ti kamu plang kendit kapoy kumtu ti kamoring keneng ngirem tang khat fas patam ka Rajabala ru ngirem tang khat kendai patam Tingis ngoba buat lang idon ha ka opposition ru ka sarkar bat ki candidates jongka ladang ki dei UDP ne ki NPP kila hak ya trai borba namar ba ka Congress kala trai shitong mila persyang shibun bangin mon lam ye ki issues ki badon kap hakmat ka jan pengri kajing kiu jong kador kamar kador hako ki shnong ki thao aga yau ka hat jongi ka jingkiu jong ka petrol ka diesel ka jing bam don kanu ka jing yo I jong kinu ki development projects pun ki surok ka kwat ka khia nang ta ni yo I ru ba ki bon ki issues ki bang yo I jong ki government employees hamtam lele ki badon ha ka health sector ha ka education sector ngila persyang kat bala bangin wan lam ni ki issue sakmat upat ba man pa ni ka persyang ka jongki ngila wan lam ru mat upat ba ya ka jing terpak red ka jongi ban kan mau ie ki nong lam jongi ki ba klat no shiteng samoy tin rengi yu I ba ka results ko long to nida buram yaki nong kersan jong kesen Congress ki ba klamchi hapdeng jong ka jing penshoy jong ka pisa ngiu I ba ka pisa kala dei ka way ka balawan berbi shibon haka imlang ka salang ka jongi don ki baong bato hato kani ka result jong kani ka by election hapo ka state ka jongi kan INM ya ka jingwan jinglong jingman jong ka san perthai lo akulan ngingi ong yepi ngimla bangin jubab ke kata nomor ka result kalau publik hapdeng jong kita ki jing ki babun yu I ba dang job hi ki candidate jong ki party ki badon hak sarkar ke wala kataru ni ai ku blai shisha yu gitu ki nong kersan rat ba jong ka party Congress ki ba klem ki hapdeng ki jing pershoy ka to bat nginget baka arulai haba ke jing ya job jong ki candidates jong ki party ki badon hak sarkar ki job tangkum tu amot ke jingele ka bali itenan ha akula ngim kren re baka dei ke jingya her jumut hapdeng dong no jong no tangba ngi hap kubur baka jing pet seng jong ki MDCs jongi hapo mau plang bat jing pet seng jong MDC jongi hapo Rajabala kala impact hadu kata-kata UMDC hapo wong klang yo sang hajar tam kabun. UMDC hapo Raja Belau yo hadu nyo hajar tam kabun. Kabamot pangimla pangimburi na kata bahwa kani kajing kendram jongi hapo kaseng. Kama shim ya katuka result kabangiyo namar ba kini ki candidate kini ki jongi. Tingi ong ba nang ne siya kamahi ngi hapan pikir ya kani kawai ngin hapan tesong ya kapati borok kawai hamo lang hapo mo rin kaning ru kajing pet seng jong way na ki party functionaries jungi kala impact ya ka result kumbang PUE tingin keno area de na ubi tamba ka seng kongres ka hapan penhut nyo ya kani ka raibi kepada kita tahu ba jong kecing bamla jong iba klik hakno kono election du lat tang hak MP abang yi ga MP election bakalong pum to result kapani ba kidang don kecing shania hak aseng ko tinai keno show ino ngi mentang ngin skang no ya kata ko operation sparkle hala ka jong kaseng ngin hapan pet hapan don no ta kerja operation kaban sarno iginyut iba penwit ya kapati ko jong kasang pertai jong gani ka juk munta tepi hakaba ka sensyar hi kapisa tepi kai ka banja ngimna pon tabakum bangiyo ihi ngihi ki badan ha kaseng kongres ngin yale kat pala ban klanya kaseng ngin yale kat pala ban penbet yala ka jong ka yin kaseng Suaya ka acara mulai ban ngindang yo ile se kum kani ga jingmi jong kita takat katu kat ningut revimla ban bad igi bre di bala temu ban mi tingin pet da kam no karukom ning pet da kam no kaliang bangin penbet penbiang no ya ka yeng kasen na jong swa ban wan ana jara ni ka party ni durom ya ginong kersan jong na kata-kata ni rakot kapang ya kani jing ya lang pati gi media ki candidates let's say idam don ha no ko jing smoke hang pat pini ban ai po ki bakin accept ya kani ka result to yo rengi na ka party ni kwa ban ai could lay way inong persan jong ka congress but what do jingkermen naman ngin ya sat bet persya gini kijing bamlong bamman jong kasan pertai ha kani ka ngin hap bangin ya long united ngin hap ni renti ke wai bat ngin persyakat mama lada PE ya kejat pendrio pidi berbu iki isu sakmat pisarai yo kortong bakin kersan nreng ngong ipite la kelah kapisa kaladai kata ka dauba baki nong songnong kin ya kersan ki issues paro PUE ki issues ki bapeting keren yangi ka issue ayu ka bangdan hang ni kata ka jingra tung taw yung klem an kata ka jingbo i check gates hutay hamorin kaneng hasorong kam klem an kata ka jingkeo ki marbam ki margi kayo kahat ka jing syakban ben na kadaw jong covid hadu mentam menet ki commercial vehicles ki taxis ki myo tangman apply haki Henry ni jong katayo ki habyan be ta ka odd even kita gidi issues rating teng snow kwa kung ban syuklat no yung issues nrengi kaseng kongres nginyay keren nginyay walam yung kini hakmat upat ba bat nginyay kerbat yaki nong song jong district kamtam jongi kung bang UI at the lead election ha district jongi nreng mundan bak patyang yung kita ki issues tikani kalong yung iban perkatip dan kam ne em ban yakren issue ha election kung makalong ti imat kapisahi kalasyo kontrol kat padon tanpa kumbanga ong kibot bakaseng kongres kayo pat ni ay kublay itu pat kay kibodon kata ka jingba kli lampat mangi kinong yalam jongki banya kren iki issues hakmat jong kajat menteri ko mangi barok ni ito. Maybe this state now deserves to see a fresh lot of faces in politics. It is very sad to hear young people who are passionate about the status of things in the state of Meghalaya wanting to join politics to be the change. But if money is going to be a major factor, I can understand their anxiousness, their anxiety. But Congress will not give up. We will not give up. This loss in the 2 elections in East Khasi and the one in Rajabala were not big losses. Considering the amount of money that was pumped in, I think they will also have to sit back and evaluate their performance. But we thank those Congress men and women, citizens of East Khasi Hills, citizens of Rajabala, who showed their trust and faith on the Congress party by not moving despite the many temptations. We congratulate the candidates who have won. Politics is like that. We cannot take away their glory. We congratulate them, but we will meet again in 2023. 10 people may go out of the Congress, but 10 more people will come to the Congress. Maybe this change will be good for the Congress. We don't know. But we will continue to fight. And an important member of the NPP, he would invite politicians to come en masse to either UDP or NPP. Question is, what were they doing in Mawplang if they were so unanimous about being together even in 2023? So was that a gimmick? Why did they feel a candidate from UDP and NPP then in Mawplang? Who were they trying to fool? Did they try or attempt to fragment it, to fragmentate and polarize the voting of Mawplang? Was that just a game? Is politics all about a game? They should ask themselves this question. How can you call everybody to the UDP and NPP and still have candidates from your own respective parties and fight and talk ill about each other on platforms? We have seen the entire gimmicks. Now let me tell you, Congress is a party with a difference. We will not play gimmick. We will not fool the public. It's okay. It's okay if we take a couple of years to research and to come back strong. But we will not give up the vision that we have for the people and the state. It's okay. Congress is doing a very good job in the opposition. I think everybody would agree with us. We are the only ones who are highlighting issues, talking about the problems of the state, and raising questions which have kept the ruling dispensation in very uncomfortable situations. I think we are the voice of the people, and 23 will be interesting because even if money plays a major role, Congress supporters are there in large numbers across the state. You have seen that in these 3 elections. Our supporters did not succumb to the pressure of tactics played in these elections. But like I said, we must congratulate winners of this election. Do well. Live up to your promise. Mawryngkneng is in a very, very bad shape. Farmers' problems are very real. Dilapidated road conditions very real. Drinking water shortage is very real in Mawryngkneng. That is my understanding. Those illegal toll gates set up by the KHDC are very real problems. People are feeling the pinch. Then in Mawplang also we have seen the issues. Kapati kamyo jingtip ba iba la idon ka jingtmu banyale. Kapati kamdon jingtip bu asahel ko banyale. Nimdon ka jingtip. Ka jingja kalong ba immediately must announce ya ka election. Nisyo few days after kita gilaya file nomination na way. Te katuro ka lapun kedit ini. Ngihlam yung oporte tang banyak keren yang kana bakiru. Te kamday bak pendo inu kiklam pan tiket ira nani. Kasay kata. Kani kajing mi sendat yung kini MDCs jungi ka pa ba ka poaching ka dante kata kajing pengop ya ki candidates jungi banlek kasay ini. Ban penpat ya ka vote Congress. Tiki job. De ki lalong di bacok orang kata namar baki MDC jungi kitlot. Te kilamok ya kata, te kini ki ruling kilayo ke baki kwa result te maki. Te kaniru ka de ka way ka bang inhapan ya perkataan ng ni Shakman. Na baka numja si Jacob nito na matulong so disappointing. Tawan terwa mano buat kilapet. Mi lendet. Mo kalong kapang mesin. Namang ngi don ang ni kongres ki post nem. Peksi bro angut itu di MBC. Belum beri ki dah parti dengan rei. Pun ki hamlet ki lela lendet.